Is reading by 9th class Santosh. Today's importance: Bodhi Day, National Submarine Day, Home God Rising Day. International news: Space Weather Prediction Center issues strong geometric storm warning for evening after large solar flare. Magnitude earthquake at depth of 5 km hit Nepal in the morning. Japan officially protest after Chinese military plane blocks radar on Japanese fighter jet. Critically ill former Bangladeshi Prime Minister Khaleda Zia has been granted permission to be airlifted to London by air ambulance. US green card applicants will be granted a visa to travel to the country. Concerns have been raised over the reduction of the employment authorization period to just 18 months. Oil-rich Guyana has launched a new digital school to expand technology-based education across the Caribbean. Saudi Arabia has introduced new rules, digitalized service for Hajj and Umrah pilgrims. National news: Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Lok Sabha debate on the 115th century of the national anthem Vande Mataram. Telangana will host the Rising Global Summit next week. This mega meeting will be on the lines of Davos. India has recorded its highest non-fossil fuel capacity this physical. A massive fire at the crowded nightclub in North Goa has killed 25 people. Defense Minister Ranjit Singh dedicated 125 new projects of the Border Roads Organization to the nation. State news: Grain farmers in Andhra Pradesh are facing problems due to the high moisture levels, 20-26% in their harvested crop. See representatives met Bandalam MPs reiterating their demand for merger of Visakhapatnam steel plant with sale. Andhra Pradesh government is all set to organize school innovation partnerships summit on December 10 to unearth the skills of students. Sports news: Million Courtney Summer Olympics kick-off torch relay marking 2-month countdown to Winter Games. Simranpreet Kaur wins gold in women's 25 meters pistol shooting event. Josh Nassi takes 5 wickets as Australia beats England at Gabba to take 2-0 lead in series. Saraswat wins maiden Super 100 batsman title. Tanvi Fisher's run-up. Weather news: cold northeasterly winds returns bringing temperature to 9.5 Celsius in some parts of Andhra Pradesh, including Chinnapatli, with the intensity of cold increasing. Today's good words: a soldier is one who fights even though he knows he die. A farmer is one farms even though he knows he will lose. Health tips: drinking warm water in winter is good for health. Today's DK question: who wrote the Panchatantra? I repeat, who wrote the Panchatantra? Vishnu Sharma. Thank you.